Hi folks, welcome back to our channel programmingsit.com and I am Hira Babu and I'm going to explain you the dependency injection in Java Spring Framework. So in this session we will learn all about dependency injection, how we will implement and how we should implement and what are the technique behind the scene of code. Okay, so in next lecture we will learn how to do coding. So before going to, let's begin this session to understand dependency injection. Dependency injection is a design pattern that removes the dependency from the programming code. Dependency injection improves the management of code, maintenance, and testing the application programming code. So, DI makes our code loose coupling and it provides and reduce and do testing faster than other things, right? Because we will understand why testing implements our application due to dependency injection. If we do not have in the application, we have to do. So let's understand. So the first question in your mind may be, what is the dependency injection exactly? Okay, so dependency injection is a design pattern that removes the dependency from the programming code. Okay, and DI, we also say dependency injection as short. DI, that is a dependency, I is injection. Okay, so DI improves the management and maintenance, so the testing of the black box testing will become easier. Okay, and it will not give you hard coupling, and you can maintain your code at any time. So DI makes our code loose coupling, and so to understand DI, what you have to understand? You have to understand dependency lookup. So dependency lookup help you to understand the dependency. Okay, so let's understand dependency lookup. Okay, so if you are not aware of the dependency lookup, so we have to understand some of the scenario, so you will understand dependency injection. Okay, so let's understand dependency injection. So dependency lookup is an approach, okay, where we get the resource after the demand. Okay, so there can be many ways to get the resource after the demand. Okay, so let's understand one by one. So what are the things? Okay, so here you can say when your mind or your interviewer ask you ki what is dependency lookup, then you have to say dependency lookup is an approach. It is just an approach. It is not a technical, it is not a technique and something else, but this is just an approach to do the programming code. So lookup provides us to get the resource after the demand. So if we have a class my class, and we have created an object, and we are gonna initialize this object by new keyword of my class IMPL, and that is maybe your service implementation. Yeah, your interface implementation is there, so you will write the code new my class IMPL. Okay, so in this way we get the resource. In this way we get the resource, or you can say instance of my class directly by new keyword. So now here we have another factory method that we will understand here. So now understand, we have same class my class object obj equal to, now we are calling my class dot get my method. So what will be the method is here? When a class directly calls a method, the method is a static, as we know in the basic OOPS concept. Okay, so class has a feature that if class is directly calling get my method, so in this way we get the resource or you can say the instance of my class by calling the static factory method, that is a get method. Okay, so what we have understand? We have understand here in this way we get the resource, or you can say instance of my class by calling the static factory method. So there is another way to achieve the resource, like J and DI is there. from where you can get the resource by calling the demand. Okay, so JNDI means Java Native Directory Interface. If you don't know, then you have a 3 line of code you can understand here. So code is context ctx is an object of context equal to new initial context. So you will initialize a context in your environment when you are working with JNDI. So context another object have environment context, and then you are passing your typecasting context that we have already created initial context, and then from the initial context we call lookup and we provide the environment. Okay, so my class object will be get initialized only by environment context dot lookup, and we have to pass the our context our class name. Okay, so it will get initialized by that lookup and it will give you the resource. Okay, what resource you want, that it will give you. So there is another way to achieve like JNDI, and we understand we have to give two context object, and that is initial context. From the initial context we will initialize the ctx object, and another is environment ctx. Okay, environment context you can say object. One we have to pass Java environment, and another we have to call the resource, look up the resource to get the resource. So similarly we have many other ways to achieve the resource, to obtain the resource. Okay, so let's understand where is the problem in this approach. There are mainly two problems with the dependency lookup. What are the problems is there while we are working with the dependency lookup? That is a tight coupling, and another is not easy for testing. So we are gonna get out of the dependency lookup only to how to achieve the dependency injection in a Spring framework. Okay, so how we are doing? So we can achieve and we can say we can resolve the issues by using the one and only one, dependency injection in a Spring framework. So we have two ways to perform dependency injection in a Spring framework, that is a by constructor and by setter method. So stay connected with us, and in the next lecture we will understand by writing the code in Eclipse to understand how by constructor is working, and how we will understand the setter method to perform dependency injection and to remove the tight coupling. And that is another problem is coming for the black box text testing, that we will find out. Okay, so what we have understand till now, we have understand that when we are working with dependency injection, why we have the dependency injection? Because dependency injection provides us a loose coupling and better easy for testing. Okay, so because the dependency lookup approach makes the code tight coupling, and because if the resource is changed, you have to, or we will have to perform a lot of code change in the coding. So the lookup approach create a lot of problem while testing the application, especially in the black box testing. And so we have a Spring framework that gives you dependency injection to perform dependency injection by that I have told you, by constructor and setter method, that we are gonna use in the we are gonna write the code in the next lecture in the Eclipse. So stay connected, and if you not have subscribed our channel, so subscribe the channel, and you will get our latest update and everything in the video. Thank you.